Welcome to Makinarga. Ito po ang ating project bike from Wheeltech, isang Honda Winner X. Marami tayong ginawa dito. Kukwento ko sa inyo. Nood lang!
Pwede bang maulit? Pwede bang malunod sa iyo? Mga panaginip? Sinong nagdala sa'yo sa akin? Sa atin ito tahimik na't kalmado. Isa pa kaya madaling magtago at lumayo.
Hello everybody and welcome to our second episode ng Makinarga, and this is what I call our Wheeltech Honda Winner X project. I know medyo tumagal ito. Una ako nagpo-post nito 2024 pa. But we had to wait for parts. Very meticulous din si J2 Cab. It took him some time also to sort things out. Meron din siya mga finabricate dyan which I will show you. In fact, ang kulang na lang dito as per yung suggestion ng ating garahe is to change the swing arm pa. Pero para sa akin, pwede na yun next time and I will update you pag dumating yun. But right now, gusto ko na siya gamitin and I'm having fun with it already. So, let me tell you about this. Our collab with Wheeltech. Of course, doon natin kinuha yung ating Honda Winner X at yung nag-asikaso ng ating project is J2 Cab. Our other friends in this project, we have RCB, Pirelli, meron din tayong Uma Racing and other bits and pieces as well. Crowning glory natin, of course, yung ating upuan by Boss Batusay. Sobrang ganda. I'll tell you about that as well. All right, so let's talk about some of the parts. So we have the R1 brake caliper. So that is at 3,700. Meron din tayong brake hose, of course, at 950mm. Teflon po siya. That's at 740. Meron din tayo dito brake hose at 4080mm. Teflon din po siya at 620 pesos. So meron tayong S3 brake lever for the bike, 1,350 pesos. So meron din tayong S2 version 2 single shifter for the Winner X. So ang ginawa nila dito, baliktad siya, feeling MotoGP, kasi normally, di ba, meron tayong one down tapos the rest up if we want to go through the gears. Ito baliktad, tayo ay one up and then the rest down. So this whole thing is at 5,000 pesos. So meron din tayong Uma back pressure exhaust, di po siya maingay. So okay din siya. So one of the things that we also have here, in fact one of the more expensive accessories na nilagay po natin dito, is this bar and mirror. It's made in Germany. This is at 10,000 pesos per. So itong dalawa pa lang, pares, nasa 20,000 na. Grabe, no? But yeah, it is what it is. Maganda yung quality niya and it's just, you know, super siya. So ito nakuha natin kay Jordan Gao sa Motocentrum. Solid din siya. Ito yung ginawa rin ni J2 Cab. Gumawa po siya ng wings. So it just gave this angas look, di ba? Kahit anong angulo, tignan mo, super okay siya. Yan. We have a Pro Taper headlight, as you can see. So yan naman, nasa 7,500. Na nag-source out niyan ay yung kaibigan natin na si Victor Richard from J2 Cab. We have the Pro Taper taillight. Ito naman ay nasa 2,200. We have ASIO mags. Super nice mags na makapal-kapal, 7,500. And then we have a belly pan. Yan naman ay nasa 1,500. Our winglet is actually at 1,000 pesos only. And yung labor ng paggawa niyan lahat, I mean, for putting all of this together, for the installation of all of that. Now, for our tires, Pirellis naman tayo. Pirelli Diablo Rosso Sport. At ang nakalagay po natin sa harap ay 90-80-17. Yung gulong na yan is at 3,200. Tapos yung ating rear naman, Pirelli Rosso Sport. Size naman natin dito is 120-70-17. Presyo naman yan ay nasa 5,400. So total is 8,600 for that. We got this going on as well. This one's also very, very nice. And of course, ang ating crowning glory, syempre upuan, one of the first things to look at in a bike. This is done by Boss Batusay. Napakahusay po ng gawa niya. Sobrang bagay sa motor. Quality is really good. You got different textures here. You got your rough texture over there. You got nice stitching. Ayos. Super nice seat. We also have this na nilagay ng J2 Cab, which is really nice. So plaka nandyan. Pag track day, pwede mong itabi. Decals natin is done by Decal Republic. As you can see, meron tayong mirror image ng makina. Hindi ganyan talaga yung makina. Yung urig makina dito, yung M, malapit sa wheel. But since tayo ay mirror image dito sa kanan, ginawa na M dito. So, ang galing. Pintura natin is done by Alvin Sim. This is called Dolphin Gray. It's lighter than Nardo Gray. So, yan yung ating kulay. Well done. Very, very happy.
Nandayan sa isang tampo, ikaw na ang nasa isip ko. Kahit minsan ay nawa.
So, our grand total for this build thus far ay 82,260 pesos. So, that is our Wheeltech Honda Winner X in Makinarga. Kung may suggestion kayong pwede natin i-feature na kargadong motor, message nyo lang kami at pupuntahan namin. Sir Sak po, Makinarga. Ciao!
Sana dito matapos, lutang lang at walang pake, walang maaayos. Kung sarili ay walang mali, hindi na bibitaw. Tahimik ng umagang